All right, Fire fans, it is time for my favorite segment of pregame. Of course, I'm talking about Sounds of Chicagoland, and this is where we highlight the wonderful musicians that represent our city. And today, we want you guys to make a big round of applause for our group we're repping today, Damager in the building. All right, now guys, do me a favor and describe to me your sound.
Well, we like to turn any stage we play at into a stadium. We love chasing that stadium rock, classic rock sound, so if you're into that, you'll love us.
That's what's up, man. All right, so I've heard you guys perform in Metro. You guys have a lot of shows around the city, but what can people expect if they were to check you guys out at a live show?
I think you're gonna have a lot of fun. It's gonna be a big celebratory rock and roll spectacle that you won't forget. Just a high energy, full connection with the crowd.
Yeah, we got shows coming up in the fall, August 10th at Shuba's, and then Lincoln Hall later this fall.
Love that. Two iconic Chicago venues where you can check these guys out. Or how can they find you online?
We're on Instagram at damagerchai.com, not .com.
That could be their website, but Damager Shy, check them out on Instagram. And right now, I want you to check out their latest track. It's called Say Hannah. Ladies and gentlemen, Damager.
Say Hannah, you're saving face, but I only wanna know your name. And say Hannah, you're sending everything but yourself my way. Say Hannah, do you know anywhere I can get a drink? What's a man gotta do to get a two-service turkey meat? And say Hannah, do you know anywhere I can get some sleep? If you're thinking what I'm thinking,